Hey, I'm Gaston with Rough Country. Today we're taking a look at our front and rear tubular trail bumpers for the JK Wrangler. These bumpers are constructed of 12 gauge steel, 1.5" DOM tubing, all coated in a durable satin powder coat. We've got 1-inch recovery points and 3.5-inch D shackles included. It's going to accommodate any one of our Rough Country winches and also any aftermarket winch with a standard footprint. Also included is going to be a dual row 20-inch LED light bar and our 2-inch LED pods. The perfect pairing to our front tubular trail bumper is our rear tubular trail bumper. It's also going to be made of the same high quality 12 gauge steel and 1.5" DOM tubing, also coated with the black satin powder coat for a great look. Comes with 1-inch recovery points and 3.5-inch shackles. Designed to accommodate the spare tire. And these bumpers are available for JK, JL, and JT models. Rough Country's tubular trail bumpers offer you functionality for the trail, attention commanding good looks for the street, and guarantee you'll never pass yourself on the highway.